Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the character and then you can play ranked mode. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Shadow 4 account, and if you already log in, you can click the character on here, and after that you can choose the another character like this. For example, I choose Sang like this, and then you if you want to change the character, you can select Sang like this. Okay, and if you already ready, you can click fight to start the play rank match. Okay, so here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.